Okay, I just got something super cool to try today. Let's unbox AmyMind, straight from AppSumo's latest deal. Look at this. The branding is clean and modern. I'm always searching for tools to organize my messy ideas. So, what exactly is AmyMind? It's an AI-powered mind mapping app for instant idea structuring. You literally type in your thoughts and it builds maps for you. Perfect for entrepreneurs, students, and creatives like me. Let's open the app and see how it works. First impression, the interface is super intuitive, not cluttered. I'm going to enter a random project idea right now. Watch this, just a few seconds, and boom! AmyMind instantly creates a structured mind map. Everything's organized into clear branches and sections. No more staring at blank pages or scattered notes. I can drag, drop, and edit nodes easily. The AI even suggests subtopics I hadn't considered. I'm honestly impressed by how fast it processes ideas. Let's try a more complex topic, launching a new product. Again, AmyMind structures all the steps for me instantly. This is such a productivity boost for planning. I can export the mind map or share it with my team. Everything stays visually clear and easy to follow. I love how it turns chaos into clarity in seconds. For students, this would make studying and brainstorming way easier. Creatives can map out stories, content, or campaigns effortlessly. Entrepreneurs can plan launches, strategies, and workflows visually. AmyMind's AI feels like a real assistant, not just a tool. I don't feel overwhelmed by options or features. It's straightforward, just input, review, and refine. Let's talk about the core advantages. Instant mind mapping saves tons of time. AI suggestions spark new ideas I'd miss otherwise. Structured planning means nothing gets forgotten. I can see my whole project at a glance. The export and sharing options are super handy. Honestly, I wish I had AmyMind during college. If you struggle with organizing ideas, this is a game changer. One warning, you might get addicted to mapping everything. If you want to try AmyMind, check AppSumo for the best deal. I'll drop the link below, don't miss out. That's my honest review. Let me know your thoughts.